Marking incoming emails as priority ensures that critical messages stand out and receive immediate attention. Here's how you can set up this workflow in Zeninbox. Navigate to the Automation tab and click on Create Workflow to begin. Give your workflow a name and a short description. For example, Mark High Priority Emails can be a good name. Once completed, click Continue. Set the trigger to Incoming Mails, so the workflow activates whenever a new email arrives in your inbox. In the Logic section, select Mailboxes and choose the specific mailbox or mailboxes you want this workflow to apply to. Move to the Actions section and select Mark as Priority. From the priority levels, choose the one that best fits your requirements, such as Immediate, Urgent, or High. Save the workflow settings and click Create Workflow. Your automation is now live, and emails meeting the criteria will automatically be marked with the selected priority level. To verify the setup, check your conversation window. Incoming emails will now display the priority level you assigned. You can also navigate to the Priority tab to view emails categorized by their priority level. This automation helps ensure important emails don't get lost in the clutter. Set up your priority workflow in Zeninbox today.